Here we have an industrial-style information pocket that is specifically designed to fix onto a roll cage or tubular frame. It has two long looped headers that go through the mesh of the cage and are then held in place by magnetic pads. In fact, these loops are long enough to fix around tubing up to 30 mm in diameter. The opening of each pocket is protected by a special flap, so if the cage is used outside in bad weather, the documents remain protected. There are three sizes, for A4 displayed vertically, A5 horizontal, and for A6 DL size for documents up to 105 mm by 210 mm wide. They are manufactured in a blue PVC with a clear front.